It all starts with you searching. Not because you're lost, but because you know there's more to be found. So you looked it up online. Because your monthly expenses eat away at you like a familiar virus. You've already had years of struggle. It's not fair that you don't make enough. The internet continues to show you things you feel you'll never have, like you're not enough. But there's so much you have going on. You know you can't make more time for more hustle, more money, more grind. There's already so much on your plate until you get home and realize just how empty your plate is. You've tried to take action, but the constant failing makes you feel like you're drowning. Every attempt at success is like a gasp for air underwater. It's useless and you sink. So maybe success isn't for you. Or maybe there's a question you haven't asked yet that could change everything. Without the right question, it doesn't matter which path you choose to make money on the internet. You can pick a path, spend all your money and your time doing it, still to end up nowhere. But with the right question, you can unlock the answers and solutions to everything. Be it the humble goal of just giving your family a new home, to the heroically ambitious goal of giving a new home
SpaceX found Elon Musk.
To the entire human race. And all the online money in between. So in this video, we are going to resurface questions forgotten by the common man, with answers that, if applied properly, will empower you to create calculated, predictable outcomes, no matter how you choose to make money online. What I'm about to show you is not for the light-hearted, and it won't be easy. But if you have the courage to make it to the end of this path, at the end lies a reality for you where there is no amount of money you can't make and there is no lifestyle out of reach. This video is about how to succeed before you even start, after you choose to make money online. Now, to understand this question, we must first debunk this misleading idea. It's the idea that if someone else had success in something, then you can have it too. The internet is full of people trying to sell you on why this way or that way is best. And for the most part, they use quite a cunning strategy, testimonials. But why is this misleading? Well, that's because even if 100 people proved that this one way of making money online was the best path because they made tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands in any given moment of time, it doesn't mean that they are starting where you're starting and are experiencing the same things you're experiencing. So this is why the only way to guarantee you can experience success no matter where you're at right now is by understanding the most powerful 9-letter word in existence. This word has turned free land into monumental nations. It has created some of the most profitable YouTube careers.
I make $5.5 million. Yeah.
That is truly amazing.
It has turned poor boys into rich men. The word has been used to abolish slavery worldwide. And it has put some of the most greatest technology in the hands of millions and millions.
This word is sacrifice.
Graham Stephan, Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Abraham Lincoln. They're all heroes who've done great things. And the character trait that they have in common is sacrifice. Now let's look at how to practically apply this in your life in exchange for real money. The first part is it has to be for a mission that is far bigger than you. If it's the same, then you'll have no reason to make any change. The bigger the goal, the bigger the glory. The second thing is you have to love the path of the process you choose, or at least enjoy it on some level. If you don't love the process or whichever path you've chosen, then you'll turn your back on the execution when it gets hard. And then number 3. High stakes. Whether it be that the suffering of others is what you're gonna end, or that your current way of life is getting in the way of what you really want to be spending time on, and you have to give that up for what you enjoy most.
But there was one moment that really kind of kicked it off for me. It was during a time I was really busy trying to get out a video, and a client called me wanting to see this apartment building for sale. I don't want to say I kind of lost it, but that was a sign for me that, like, if I'm this anxious, about not posting video. Like, that should really be where my priority is.
Having something to run away from serves as incredible fuel to keep running forward. Remember, this video is about how to succeed before you even start making money online. And if you do this, then any path you choose will end in victory. And this is the question. It is not, how do you make money online? Before you ask, what is there for you to gain, you first have to ask, what are you willing to give? Your ability to accurately measure what you're willing to sacrifice, regardless of the path in front of you, will help you determine with stunning accuracy your outcome. See, based on data, whenever you try to make money online for the first time, you're going to fail. But with enough commitment, eventually you win. You become overjoyed when that commitment finally pays off. And what happens when you stay committed is investors keep on investing, fans keep on watching, and if you're selling something or making money online, then people keep buying and you keep balling. So the second thing you want to ask yourself before you start down the path of making money online is, how long am I willing to commit to the idea, to whatever path it is that you've chosen? Shallow commitments are like puddles of water. They dry up easily under the sun. But if you can make ocean levels of commitment, deep, roaring levels of commitment, nothing can dry you up. And you can fill your whole world with your desires. This is the ultimate complement to sacrifice. These are the two most beautiful babies birthed by Mother Nature. And now you have them, they're yours now. Congratulations, you're a father of two. It's not enough to sacrifice once, but to keep at it until you bear fruit. I didn't make this video with intentions to just give inspirational vibes or break down my personal opinion about what it takes to success. And I made this video because I'm sick and tired of tons of people on the internet, or internet gurus if you will, trying to convince you that this way or that way is best or better, and hoping that you'll buy into their idea with your mind and your money. I own a construction company that will make more money per year than most drop shippers when they start in their first 3 years. Gary Vaynerchuk's digital media company will make more money than any person who starts an SMMA business. The Tesla car company was founded in 2003. It makes more money per year than other cars that are 80 years older than it. Gary Vaynerchuk, the car industry, social media marketing, construction. I'm making this video to show you that don't think for a second the path matters nearly as much as the person, as you, and what that person is willing to give. So let's recap what this formula is. At the front is an idea, or in this case a path to making money online. Make sure it's a big one, because the bigger the problem, the bigger the paycheck. This is why heart surgeons make more money than newspaper boys. You have to add sacrifice to it. What am I willing to give for that, for whatever it is you've chosen? Then you multiply these two things by commitment. Without this, nothing happens. But if you've already chosen a path and you've already measured what sacrifice you're willing to give, then all that's left is to take committed action and stay the course until the end. A hidden gem to this formula is making sure the sacrifice and commitment you're willing to make is an action step. The goal shouldn't just be, I'm gonna make $1 million. The goal should be, I'm going to work 7 days a week for the next 8 months, all the way up until I see my first dollar or pound. Make sure when you're looking back that before you evaluate whether the goal was accomplished, you evaluate if you actually did the work. This part is really the formula. It doesn't really matter what idea you put in front of it. If you do the formula right, you will win. And if you're still wondering which path to put in front of this formula, well, it all starts with you searching. Not because you're lost, but because you know there's so much more to be found. The way how I forgot to film outros, I'm just gonna film every outro for every video that I haven't got an outro for. Yo! Thank you once again for being here. If you made it this far, then I appreciate it, because clearly it was worth your time, which is a precious commodity, and I'm grateful. Look, yeah, man, those are just some topics I wanted to cover when it came to searching how to make money online and what it really takes. Like, you can honestly pick anything as long as you're self-aware of what you want to do. But that's it from me. I'm gonna continue to make more videos around making money online, around creative stuff. If you found anything valuable from this video, consider liking. Comment your thoughts or questions. That's it. Comment your thoughts, your questions. Obviously, let your boy know. I'll be going through the comment section. Wow, you assume there's gonna be comments to go through. But hey, relax, brother. I would like to believe that hopefully one day in the future, at some point, there's comments to go through, because that would be nice. But anyway, if there's any questions you have or anything noteworthy, put it in the comments. I'll reply as best as I can. And consider subscribing. It's been Joseph, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Because you already know there's gonna be a next one. I'm gonna see you lot.